Here's the app called Handshake. Let's agree. Let's agree to agree. So let's just install it and see how it works. Tired of endless discussions and disagreements when making day-to-day decisions with friends and loved ones? With handshakes, groups can quickly and easily agree on everything from restaurants, movies, and vacation destinations to various other categories. Simply swipe together and enjoy more time for the things that matter. Swipe, agree, enjoy. Choose your category among the 6 existing. Create a game, invite friends. Swipe, match, and enjoy. And then just you can open up the app and then you can allow to track. You can allow notifications. You can just enter your name. And then movies, TV shows, custom, recipes, wines, and then coming soon. And then you can see how to play. Handshake is the easiest way to agree with your friends or partner. Similar to some dating apps, this app uses swipe. Just create a game, select category, and customize a game to meet your and your friends' lovers' desires. Explore first categories and stay tuned for more to come. And then second step, invite friends or join an existing game. Match and enjoy. Don't feel like swiping, no problem. Check out other users' agreements using the Explorer. And then, just tap get started. Oh, sorry, just need to start all over. And then movies, TV shows. So countries, I can decide if I want to watch like Netflix, Disney Plus, release date, genres, and then I just want to watch some kind of comedy, let's say, and then I can just create game. And then so then I can just kind of invite my friends in top right by sharing this link. You can see players and then can just start a game. And then you can swipe solo. So, okay, I don't want this title. I don't want this. I don't want this. So a lot of like kids movies, but so then you can just say like all the movies, and then you see the matches, and then you kind of see all the movies you match together, and that's one of the ways to, for example, select what you want to watch on Netflix tonight or something like that. And then you can see the results, your matches, and then at least from here you can decide what you want to see together. So it's pretty cool app. And then custom, you can create a custom category. Swipe in options. This one option, I don't know, like you just need to practice here, and then you will be able to actually play the game. And then something like that. So you can create some custom games and custom questions to decide on some projects. Like you can create like where we want to go as a friends on a trip, and list like 10 countries, and then just select together. Of course, you can just do it in your chat and not to complicate things. But sometimes if you just want to select a movie or something, and you have like 3 people, it can just be easier to swipe here the app or select a wine. Also, you can just do that. So pretty interesting idea. So then you can also see a history, and then you can explore it in the tab. So try out this app.